and Shalom. Call hello Yahweh Shem Shai by Hashem Wadash. Double honors into the apostles and the elders. Salutations to all my fellow laborers doing this work in truth and sincerity, risking their lives and their freedom to do so, now more so than ever. I'm in a Walmart that's about a mile from my house. And all the checkouts have been turned into self-automated. Now, if you can't see that this digital system, that the mark of the you know what is coming, all right? I want you to take in mind that commercial that came out some years ago of the guy in the trench coat who came inside of the store and started putting stuff under his trench coat, and then he went to walk out the store, and the security stopped him and said he forgot his receipt. But the fact is that everything in the store had the mark on it, and so did he. See, if you can't see that that's what this is, that is what this is, because this is a big inconvenience to these people. Look at this line. All right, this is a big inconvenience. So what's going to happen is that when they give that mark, when they give that thing, it's going to make things easy, because everything in your basket will ring up automatically, and then you can walk right out. All right. So that's where we're headed, man. All right. All the banks around the world now have a digital notebook, and what do you think it's for? It's for this right here. Call hello Yahweh Shem Shai by Hashem Wadash. Wa Abba Shalom. Kwam Yasharala.